Hey there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. I'm Cast Iron Katie. Doesn't that make a nice sound? Stove. Just a moment. So good. Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. In this video, I am going to make tortillas. I have some leftover filling from my tamale video, so go check that out if you like. I'll cut away briefly to show you how I made the cactus and how I made the carne asada. It is footage from the other video, but if you haven't seen it, I'll show it to you right now. It doesn't take long. Not doing a bake, so I don't really need to count. Gonna cook the cactus now. We'll use the Lodge 4-in-1. I will use my larger skillet. The lid to the new outdoor Dutch oven, same size, so be able to use that. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Let that heat up. Okay. We're gonna toss in the cactus. And add a little salt. Okay, it's got some thickish liquid coming out of it, and we're supposed to cook it until that liquid is gone. They smell grassy and fresh, like a chlorophyll sort of smell. I tried some of the cactus. It has a sour pickled flavor to it. It's delicious. It's going to be a new staple in my diet. It's so good. All right, I'm gonna call that good. The liquid is no longer thick, so I think this is a success. We're going to cook the carne asada. Seven minutes on each side. The meat is marinated in beer in addition to the marinade it was already in when I got it at the grocery store. 7 minutes has passed. Let's check it out and see what's going on here. Give it a flip and let it do another 7 minutes. Whoa. Oh, look at that. It's looking pretty good. I got the inspiration for making tortillas from another YouTuber. Her channel is Kira Cooks. I am using her recipe. Hers is whole wheat tortillas. Mine is going to be corn. We're going to do a cup of the corn flour or the masa. Half teaspoon of salt there. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, vegetable oil. Alright, now we're going to add a tablespoon of milk followed by a tablespoon of water. We'll do that until we have 3 of each in here. There's the milk, water, milk, water, and one more round. Now we're gonna do a lot of stirring. I have a little secret. I noticed that my dough was not really warming up. It was very dry. I'm fairly certain that I put in 2 cups instead of 1. So this is actually a double batch. But like I said, it's gonna go stale really fast after I cook it. So I am just going to form them and not cook them and stick them in the freezer, and we'll see what happens. I'll give you an update on that maybe. We're gonna knead this for probably 5 minutes on this flat surface, just kind of forming a little sausage roll of sorts here. We'll do it half at a time. Because all of the oil that's in this, it doesn't stick to anything. But we want it to be really smooth also. Okay, we're gonna roll this out into, you know, when you have Play-Doh when you were a kid, you roll out a snake. That's what we're gonna do. You're just getting ready to learn how to bake tortillas by rolling out that snake. We're gonna break this up into 10 pieces. I'm working with my new tortilla press, and I will tell you that whenever I use 1/10 of the recipe like I did when I had the rolling pin, I get a very small tortilla, which is perfect for street tacos. Isn't that nice? Nice little bitty one. But I want a little bit bigger in this situation, so I'm putting 2 of those little balls of dough together. And there we go. This tortilla press is a lot of fun. Making fast work of this. Well, I've only got a few more to go, but it's a nice big stack of tortillas, and they're all a really nice even shape. And this tortilla press is a cast iron. I put my leftover carne asada in this pan over here. It's left over from the tamale video, so go check that out. And I'm not sure what sort of a god-awful mess this cheese is going to make in the pan, but I'll worry about that later. Okay, now let's get this pan going. Get it nice and hot for cooking the tortillas. Pick it up off of your stack, kind of like a taco, so they don't crack. And then slap it in the pan. Okay. Very good. That turned out pretty okay. You see where it's starting to bubble up? When you start seeing lots of bubbles, then you'll flip it. Now when you do the flour tortillas, they have bigger bubbles. They poof up bigger. Okay, I see a little brown on the edge of this one. Okay, this one's done. Let's take a look at the other side. Yeah, that's a good looking one there. Alright, let that cool off just a bit. While that's cooling off, let me show you what I'm going to put on for garnish. So I made a salsa for garnish. It is 5 Roma tomatoes with the seeds taken out, half an onion, a jalapeno, yeah, maybe 2. A big squirt of lime juice, and some minced garlic and cilantro. Super easy to make. One of my favorite salsas. Sorry, I got it dancing all over the place. Real easy to make. Better than anything that you'll find in a store if you make it yourself. Here is my homemade tortilla taco. Oops. Not to brag, but I may be verging on the best taco I've ever had. It's the cactus is so good in there. But, I mean, it's a sweet corn tortilla. I don't really like corn tortillas from the store. These are delicious. And they're very messy. This is Cast Iron Katie. Thanks so much for watching. Start with the tiny one in case it's a big flop. Oh! Indeed it was. Ah! Ah! Oh, Christmas. Ah, well, that was a little better. Dang, getting these in the pan is something else.